Hello class, I'm going to teach you how to do your multiplication tables in 3 steps. The first step is to know our 1 by 1s to our 12 by 12s. So you're going to have to just do these by practicing. We need to know these by memory. The second step is by mirroring. It's also just called copying. And I don't mean that as in copying your next door neighbor or the person sitting next to you, but by just rewriting what we've already done. And the third step is organizing our table. Now, I know it's already organized, but what I mean by this is doing it in columns or rows. All right, so then let's do a practice one. Let's say I do this. I can do on the other side. So let me give you a better example. So let's do 3 times 9. So I know in my head 3 times 9 is 27. I can do on the other side. So 9 times 3 is 27. These are the same number and then the same spot. You can see how this and this is the same number and the same 3, 9, 3, 9. This is going to help us cut our time in half so that we don't have to do the same mental math twice. We can just copy ourselves. And then the last one that we need to do is patterns. So what I mean by these patterns is literally just whatever I do in the columns and organizing. Everything I do here, I'll do here, and I'll go here, then here, and then I'll keep this process. This is literally how I solve my multiplication table, and I'll get to about, this will take me about less than 4 minutes. And then the US standard for elementary school kids is to get it under 5 minutes. Less than. So you guys are going to watch me fill this in under 4 minutes, and then we're going to see how I can do. As you can see, I'm not really thinking. Oops, already first mistake. And then I fill in on this side. And then I follow the 2's. Oops. And then I can do the 3's. As you can see, I'm not really doing much thinking. I'm just memorizing everything for the math problems. And then I do the 4s. Oops. Everything I do here, I can just copy here. And then these just go by 5, so it's pretty easy. Oops, 45. And then 6s. As you can see, I'm just mirroring everything on the bottom to the row on the right. So I get 7s. And then I've got 8, so 64, 72. And the 9s. Then I've got 10s. And then the easy part. Got there. See? So as you can see that from everything that I've done on this side, in the green, I just mirrored it on the right in orange. And then from that, I can cut down my time doing this to a lot easier. So I hope this helps you do your multiplication tables faster.